In the BoosterBot Telegram channel, my team and I have shared the best currency pairs. And let's check these currency pairs to see how they work themselves out. The dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the British pound, the Japanese yen. And right off the bat, these pairs had time settings, so the whole community could confidently make money. The first currency pair, dollar Canadian dollar, the payout this time in 63%. And I will open a trade for 1 minute and $650. I go to BoosterBot, click get a new signal and choose the dollar Canadian dollar pair, expiry time for 1 minute. I get a sell signal and I open my down trade right from there. As you can see, this currency pair has a very unstable movement, but BoosterBot handles it perfectly. There is a resistance level at the top from which the price gets a constant reaction. And after the last reaction to this level, we can expect a downward movement. A great first trade brings me $540. The dollar Canadian dollar shows itself well. The next currency pair, Australian dollar, Swiss franc, also at $650 and 1 minute expiration. I get a new signal. I choose this currency pair. The time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a sell signal again and open a sell trade right from here. On this currency pair, you can observe a very good downward movement. There are corrections on this movement, so you can expect a continuation of the trend. And this trade brings me $600. As you can see on the Australian dollar Swiss franc, very good movement and a very good pair. Therefore, the whole given week it is possible to work on this currency. Next is the British pound Japanese yen pair, but here you already have to choose 3 minutes. Let me double check with the group, and yes, indeed 3 minute signals only. Although the payout here is small, but let's do the analysis. But I will open a deal for $850 because the interest here is less. I click to get a new signal and choose the British pound Japanese yen. Expiration time is 3 minutes and I get a sell signal. I open my sell trade right from here. And as you can see, there is a good downward movement on this currency pair. After the last correction, we can expect a good downside move. And this trade brings me $518. As you can see, the payout is quite small, but nevertheless a very confident currency pair. You cannot draw any definite conclusion from all these currency pairs, so I propose to fix and try on the Australian dollar and Swiss franc to open a deal for 1 minute. I like this currency pair. I get a new signal and choose the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. The expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a buy signal and open a buy trade right from here. Alright, this trade brings me $750. As you can see, all these currency pairs show very good movement and very stable keep the result. Which currency pair to trade on is up to you, but the BoosterBot team recommends these 3 currency pairs. My personal favorite is the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. So if you want to keep up to date with all currency pairs that are the most relevant and give good results, I will leave a link to the Telegram channel in the description. And also there will be a link to the support account where you can ask any question and you will be gladly helped. That's all I have for today. I wish you a huge profit and have a good day.